Supply chain finance is a set of tools used to optimize cash flow for businesses in a trade relationship. At its core, this practice is all about managing liquidity, which is just a fancy term for having cash on hand to pay bills. Large buyers often take 90 days or more to pay their invoices, leaving suppliers waiting for their hard-earned revenue. A bank steps in to bridge this gap, paying the supplier early for a small fee, while the buyer pays the bank later. Unlike a standard loan, this is based on the creditworthiness of the large buyer, which usually means lower costs for everyone involved. By using these programs, suppliers can turn a 90-day wait into a 10-day payment cycle, significantly improving their financial health. Ultimately, it is a tool to ensure that small businesses can keep operating without being crushed by the payment schedules of larger firms. Thanks for watching. Understanding these corporate mechanics helps clarify how global trade functions. See you in the next lesson.